heart. Thank you so much for the initiatives taken. Our festival, Amorzeal, Emotions with More Zeal, which is very close to our heart, is more than 10 years old. I still remember in the inaugural ceremony of the first year, Mr. Manmohan Shetty, one of the tall figures in the field of film industry, was the inaugurator. We had made the promise that one day it should become a household name among the colleges in Mumbai city. Afterwards, honestly and sincerely, we have put in efforts to take it to the next level. And it has happened. Innovating every year, more than 60 colleges and more than 1,000 participants from these 60 colleges is not a small thing. Because of its credibility, it is invited students from 60 colleges, more than 1,000 talented students to our college. And it went on. And in 2019, we had celebrated even its decennial year, inviting the student leaders who were quite instrumental in taking the festival to its next level. We have invited them, we have felicitated them. But 2020 was not a normal year, not only for us, for the entire globe. But Steffi, Salve, and your teachers who were there in the team, and even the students have taken the initiative, at least to provide something online, and you did it. Even one of the biggest festivals of universities, that is the Youth Festival of University of Mumbai, did not happen this time physically, but virtually it happened. Even our students had participated in that. One prizes, maybe 6, 7 prizes at the zonal level, 1 or 2, 3 prizes at the university level. All these things are worth mentioning. 48th Youth Festival of University of Mumbai, 50th Youth Festival, University of Mumbai. We had the opportunity of organizing in SM Shetty College by the grace of the University of Mumbai and by the support of our management. And we are all able to recollect the memories. Even after retirement, if I recollect the memories of SM Shetty College, and these two festivals definitely figure out. So this is the history in the field of cultural activities of our college. And when we look back, SM Shetty College has given, I think consciously, not only in academics, but also curricular, co-curricular, extracurricular, and even extension activities. Almost a balanced approach to unleash the human potential. And we have given every opportunity to every student to come out from the shells and to blossom to the fullest level. I think once I shared in the meeting, I remember that a full contingent team in one bus with one bus and with the food packets, our students, our teachers should travel from the college to the college where it is being hosted. All happened, but this is not a normal year, but still we celebrated in a virtual mode. And one more thing is, Even though I reduced the number of NSS volunteers, I think nearly 180, 200 volunteers participated in that. Volunteers. And the team, the Emorzil team consisted of more than 100, 120. I think I had seen the photos. It's quite fascinating, all those things. And one more appreciating thing is 70% of the show was managed by the students. And our students used to exhibit top kind of leadership also, right from the beginning up to the end. And we are all the facilitators. Of course, we did not have the opportunity in 2020, but we are quite optimistic and we are looking to future with a optimistic note. I think definitely we will establish the fast glory. I take this opportunity to appreciate the contributions of our vice principals, Dr. Liji Santosh, Professor Sandesh Shetty, the cultural advisor for a couple of years, Steffi Salwe, and considering her contributions and all that, even University of Mumbai has appointed her as the coordinator of the youth festival. And also the teachers who have shouldered your responsibility. And the students' cultural team, the PR team, and the entire team, and our coordinators, our teachers, and definitely our students. Looking forward a bright future in the days to come. I wish this function a grand success. And Steffi Salve reported to me that this time I think one college has participated from Mangalore also. And that college was in the university campus of Mangalore, where we got our PG degree 4 decades ago. So thank you so much for all your efforts. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for inspiring us and giving us motivation to do Emorzil much more higher strength. Now, just looked at, now we have a teaser for Wonderland of Web Series.
Oh, statue. So that was our teaser. I hope you all enjoyed it. Made by SM Shetty College students with a lot of heart in it. And with that, I would like to call upon Professor Liji ma'am to give a few words about Emorzil. Liji ma'am, over to you.
Lavishri. Yeah, Lavishri, Liji ma'am had called. She has some network error.
Okay.
She will not be able to connect on Zoom. So we can call Sandesha sir to speak and for the program.
Okay. Sandesha sir, can I please have you?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So first of all, thank you so much, team. So because of your effort, we can speak few words. When I hear the word Emorzil, I'm recollecting the planning and organizing of the biggest event of SM Shetty College. This fest has got its own discipline. Even for students, it's like a family program. I was worried in this COVID situation whether you are going to organize this event or not. But luckily, with the great support, great planning of our principal sir and cultural team, you made this event happen. Thank you so much, team. All the very best. I'm very happy that in this COVID situation, in this online mode also, you have organized this event. Thank you so much. I'm very happy for you. Yeah, over to you.
Thank you so much, sir, for the kind words. Before we proceed to the ceremony, I just want to give a prize distribution for PR activity winners. So, sir, this year we decided to do something to create awareness. So we decided to have a third priority about body shaming. So the contingents were requested to make a reels post and everything, and use the hashtag stand against we stand against with we sorry sir we stand with Amorgin against body shaming. So our first winner is for PR activity is Munna Bhaiya. Second is Berlin, and third is Harshad Mehta. Thank you all for standing with us and saying no to body shaming. Thank you all. Now I would like to call Professor Sharanya ma'am to give to start with the prize distribution.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Yes.
Yes, Sharanya ma'am.
Just a minute.
Sharanya, you are on mute.
Ma'am, I guess Sharanya ma'am, he's having some issues. Until that,
Yeah.
I would like to call our cultural convener, ma'am, Steffi Salve ma'am, to say a
Okay.
few words.
Sure. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Am I audible and visible?
Ma'am, you're audible but not visible.
Okay. So now am I visible? Okay. I hope I am visible now. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so the thing is that my Wi-Fi suddenly got connected and I'm standing at the window here to get the mobile network properly until the program is going on. So yeah. So good evening, everyone. Principal Dr. Sridhara Shetty, Vice Principal Dr. Liji Santosh, Vice Principal Dr. Sandesha Shetty, the committee teachers, the staff members of the college, all the volunteers, the PL members of other colleges and participants of other colleges. Year, we were a little late to organize the the month of December. We were in a dilemma where we don't know whether online with more on platform should we choose since there are so many. So I believe, yeah, during that time, we got many queries from many students that when are you all starting MRZ? We want to participate, and our students also got these queries. So yeah, so the events began on the 5th of April until today. Till afternoon, there were events happening. We got participation from 800 plus students coming from 40 plus colleges. And not only that, out of those 40 plus colleges, there were 3 colleges out of Mumbai, out of Maharashtra, which is really a proud thing for us because online platform they have got to get in touch. I mean, we have got to get in touch and to see the talent from the various platforms. So we had university first grade college from Mangalore University, then Indira Gandhi Delhi Tech University for Women from Delhi, and Vellore Institute of Technology from Chennai. So these 3 are the colleges that we have received apart from Mumbai, apart from Maharashtra. So very glad that all of you could participate through this new mode of online platform, that is Instagram, YouTube, Zoom, as well as Facebook. Okay? So thank you for that. And now I think without much further ado, I think Sharanya ma'am, are you there to take over the department awards? Otherwise, let the PPT come on. I can make the announcements. Sharanya ma'am?
Am I audible now? Can you hear me?
Yes, you are audible, Sharanya.
Just a second. Yeah, I'm just having some lag at my end. Just a second.
No problem, ma'am.
Just shifting to another place. Right. So our winners for Immortal 2021 Wonderland of Web Series. Can we have the winners now? So for the first segment for performing arts, we have CHM College that has won. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
We have the CL Berlin here. For this fine arts segment, we have Vivekanand Education Society's College of Arts, Science and Commerce. Congratulations, VS College.
Thank you so much.
For special events, we have Universal College as the winner. Congratulations.
Thank you.
For the informal events, we have SIS College of Arts, Science and Commerce as the winners.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
For the gaming events, we have SK Somaya Vinay Mandir as the winner. Congratulations, SK Somaya.
Thank you, ma'am.
For the segment of sports, we have Gurukul College as the winner. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
The best CL award goes to CHM College. Congratulations, CHM College, for
Thank
being best CL.
Let's go. Nopi, Berlin, Nopi. Yes.
So I would like to ask Steffi Salve ma'am to take over from here. Steffi ma'am.
Brinda, any
Yeah, ma'am. So,
shall I go ahead with the next?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So the next category award we have Best PR award goes to SK Somaya Degree College, Vidya Vihar. Congratulations, SK Somaya College. I think you have been winning continuously one or the other award over the 3 or 4 years. So congratulations. Thank you very much for participating in large numbers. Let's have the next award. Okay, maximum participation award goes to IBS College, Powai, our neighboring college.
Thank you so much.
Okay, congratulations, IBS College. Okay, can we have the next award? And finally, the best college award goes to Universal College yet again. Last year, Universal College had won the best college award enthusiastically with a huge team. They had come onto the stage. I believe if you remember Sandesha sir, we were all there on the stage with a big crowd. So yes, that is the same college again. So this is the second year in the row. Hoping that next year also you come and participate and get the same trophy again and win the same trophy again. Okay. So that is the best college award. Congratulations to all the winners.
Congratulations to every winner. Now, I would like to call up PRO Brinda Soman to give vote of thanks.
So, good evening to one and all present here today. I, Brinda Soman, the Public Relation Officer of our college, would like to present the vote of thanks for Immortal 2021 Wonderland of Web Series with immense pleasure and honor. To begin with, I would like to present my heartfelt gratitude to our college management who gave us the opportunity and platform to conduct such an amazing event. I would like to thank our college principal, Dr. Sridhara Shetty sir, who has always motivated and encouraged us in organizing various college events. Thank you, sir. Your words have always encouraged us. I would also like to thank our Vice Principal, Dr. Liji Santosh ma'am and Professor Sandesha Shetty sir for their valuable guidance and support throughout the event. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. A special thank you to our cultural coordinator, Ms. Steffi Salve, and our committee teacher, Professor Sharanya Sanuj, Professor Swati Shetty, Professor Sujata Rizal, and Professor Ashish Navik, who have helped us and gave us their guidance on each level of the event. Your support always helped us and to achieve our goals. Thank you, teachers. Unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaborations, wonderful things can happen, be achieved together. Having said that, I would like to now thank our team Immortal who have worked as a team and made this event successful. Thanks to each one of you and all the departments performing informal, special, fine, gaming and sports, you have worked together in Immortal and made it a great success. And lastly, I would like to thank all the wonderful college CLs and participants to participate in such a great number. We had 800 plus participants in all our events all together, and also we had 40 plus participant colleges, not only from Mumbai, but even from all other states. Thank you, participants. Thank you for always adding those sparkles to our events. Thank you for making it more and more challenging for each other and always showing a positive spirit. Your enthusiasm always pushes us to take the event to new level. So we hope to see you all with this same enthusiasm and same spirit next year as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Brinda. Now, as you know, last year we launched our Immortal anthem, and this year we also have Immortal anthem because it's Immortal, and we should have an anthem. So I will tell, please, Srinav, can you please an Immortal anthem and relive those moments we have been through for like past 5 days.
Just one moment. Before we go on to the end of the show, I just thought of this right now. If any CL or if any participant would like to share their experience, we would love to hear that, because this was the first time ever online competition that we had, and this is a good platform to connect with you. So if anyone would like to share their experience or would like to write something in the chat box, you are most welcome to interact with us. Any
Yeah.
student?
Yes,
I would like to share, ma'am. Can I?
Sure, go ahead, dear.
Yeah. So, like me being a leader of my college, my whole team was waiting for Amorzel. Like after every month or two, I text Amira, Vrinda और सिद्धि की Amorzel कब है यार? Amorzel कब है यार? So yeah. Also, I must say कि Amorzel एक वीक तक चला लंबा फेस्ट. Being a leader, I know how tough it is कि सब पूरे टीम मेंबर्स को ऐसा मुट्ठी में बंद करके रखना और काम करवाना. Like एक वीक तक कंटिन्यू. कभी रात को टेक्स्ट करो डाउट पूछने, तुरंत मैसेज आता है सुबह करो. लाइक दे आर वर्किंग 24/7. एक वीक जितना लंबा फेस्ट विदाउट सीएल मीट नहीं हुआ, बट ब्रोशर इतना सही था कि हमको सब समझ गया, प्लस डाउट्स टाइम पे क्लियर हो गए. सो या द लाइक कोर टीम ने जो सपोर्ट दिया, काम किया, लाइक हम खुद इंस्पायर हो गए. Second thing, my personal experience, I'm not the one who speaks in front of camera and all, but Amorzel brought me out of my comfort zone. So thank you for it.
That's a wonderful compliment, CL of Munna by contingent. And since you said the brochure and all was so self-explanatory, I think it was our digital team that had to play a role of a very strong pillar this time, because everywhere things going online, it had to be neat and clear for you all to participate. So thank you very much for giving your feedback and sharing your experience. Any one more person? We can.
Even I want to Berlin. I got the best CL award. It was my hat trick, like back to back. I bagged the third time best CL, like comparing the other colleges as well. And this was our first event with Imorzel, and this won't be our last, because ये एक हफ्ता किस तरीके से गया मतलब पता ही नहीं चला. और अभी मतलब ऐसा बहुत दिल भारी भारी हो रहा है कि अभी फिर से इवेंट्स खत्म हो जाएंगे. अभी फिर मतलब समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या होने वाला है. बट होप अगला साल फिर से सब मिलकर होगा सारा कुछ, मतलब क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट था, इसके बाद हम लगातार आने वाले हैं. बहुत मजा आया है. और जिस तरीके से पार्थ ने बोला कि ब्रोशर्स काफी इजी थे, बिना सीएल मीट के समझ में आ गया. मतलब आई थिंक इतने सारे इवेंट्स में मैं गया हूँ, दिस वन वाज द वेरी इजीएस्ट ब्रोशर और सबसे इंफॉर्मेटिव था. मैं मतलब ज्यादा परेशान नहीं किया आई गेस मैंने वृंदा सिद्धि इन लोगों को डाउट्स पूछने में. सो या थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. टीम बर्लिन लव्स इमोर्टल.
नॉट एट ऑल. आपके डाउट्स ने आपका टाइम वसूल कर दिया, आपको अवार्ड्स मिल गया. सो आई थिंक दैट वाज वर्थ इट. कांग्रेचुलेशंस वंस अगेन, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग योर फीडबैक. I think Siddhi, now we can let the feedback keep coming on our social media handles and in the chat box.
Yes.
We can proceed with the last part of the show. Thank you so much.
Let's have a look at Imorzel and let's relive the moments we had together.
To free yourself, it's time to be unique, it's time to express with happiness and music. So come on, get together to show everyone what you mean. And more no feelings to conceal, hidden talents to reveal. Expressions with more zeal, more zeal. a legacy. Yeah, to make you understand, to make your life real from real. So come on, get together to show everyone what you mean. And more no feelings to conceal, more hidden talents to reveal, expressions with more zeal, and more no feelings to conceal, hidden talents to reveal, expressions with more zeal. Emoji, 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 emoji,
Okay. Thank you everyone for participating in Mozilla and making this a very, very grand success. I hope you all participate in the next year with the same enthusiasm and same energy you have shown this year. I'm becoming very emotional right now because this is our last Emozi, and I hope our juniors will take this emotion to the greater heights. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, everyone. We have come to the end of the prize distribution announcements. The trophy of the category awards are going to be available with us in our college. Whenever it is a good time, whenever situation becomes more safe, we are going to get in touch with you to ask you to come and collect it from our college. Meanwhile, we will try our best to send you the pictures of the trophy. तो आपकी कुछ अमानत है हमारे पास में थोड़ी टाइम के लिए, आपको उसको जल्दी लेके जाने को मिलेगा. Okay, so thank you very much, everyone. Stay safe and stay in touch with the links that we have made now. Okay, thank you all.